Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo A2X to an Android device. Begin by going into Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to set it up, you need to choose the same options in both apps. I will start with an Android. Tap on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can click on Not Now if you wish to. Then close it by clicking on OK. Finally, tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and choose Send at the bottom left corner of Oppo. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Following that, you can go back to Oppo device and using all of those categories available at the top, choose all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to click on Allow a couple of times. Then select your files the same way. When you're done, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now you need to decide which connection way is better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. If you want to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then tap on Receive to connect. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!